Evertz AV, a division of Evertz, the provider of professional AV over IP solutions, has announced its participation at Integrated Systems Europe 2024, where it will showcase its extensive ecosystem of IP-routable products and solutions. Located in Hall 4, Evertz AV will be providing comprehensive product demonstrations spanning unified collaboration integration, live event spaces, secure professional KVM, advanced monitoring, and meeting spaces and live production.
VideoZeus Broadcast has launched a new control system for the MediaEdge QDCam high-speed box camera that allows broadcasters to easily incorporate this high-quality camera into their production workflows. The fiber-based plug-and-play system, which fits seamlessly into a standard equipment rack, uses intuitive software that automatically configures all the camera and CCU features for the user's chosen format. By adopting this simple-to-use solution, broadcasters can now deploy the QDCam box camera for 4K productions or high-speed, 4x, slow-mo shots.
RE announces its new top-of-the-line stabilized remote head, the 360 Evo. Being a successor of the SRH360, it features 360-degree rotation on the both roll and pan axes, a more robust design, and remote system integration. A new user interface and multiple accessories are shared with the Trinity 2, creating a uniquely integrated lineup of hard and soft-mounted stabilizer options. The 360 Evo runs on the same software platform as Trinity 2, with the same popular and intuitive user interface displayed on its touchscreen remote control panel. The two products also share cables, brackets, and SAM plates for mounting different cameras, and can be controlled by the same tools. First customer shipments of the 360 Evo, as well as upgrades for SRH360 owners, will begin in Q1 2024.
The BBC is to sell its Elstree studio complex to French insurance company AXA, in a deal worth around £70 million. AXA Investment Managers will buy the 16-acre complex near Watford, northwest of London. The BBC will take a 25-year leaseback of part of the facilities and continue to film there. Elstree has been a centre of UK television and film production for more than a century. The BBC bought its studio there in 1984, the year before flagship soap opera EastEnders was first filmed at the site. The site is also used for large studio productions such as the BBC Children in Need charity telethon.
MTV Oy, the leading commercial television company and production house in Finland, recently relocated to a new center in the suburbs of Helsinki, seizing the opportunity for a major technical refresh. The facility serves multiple channels and streaming services, and a key part of the project was to migrate its extensive news and sport archive from tape, a task accomplished with EditShare providing the latest storage technology. A central storage for all live production is provided by 4 nodes of EditShare EFS60NL nearline storage, with a total capacity at present of 6 petabytes. The EditShare storage is directly accessed by journalists and producers via their workstations, which are connected to production servers and asset management provided by EVS.
Spain's public broadcaster RTVE will launch a nationwide UHD channel over DTT next month. 10 years after tests at the Mobile World Congress, RTVE has been working with the transmission company Cellnex to test the format. This has included the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar and more recently the World Athletics Championships or Spain's matches in the FIFA Women's World Cup last August. RTVE has been gradually incorporating the features that accompany the higher UHD resolution and improve pixel quality to reach UHD 1 Phase 2, with HDR leading the way. All of this without neglecting audio, where next-generation audio has taken over from traditional multi-channel sound.
RTV Drenthe, public broadcaster for the province of Drenthe in northeast Netherlands, has chosen DHD-SX2 and TX audio mixing consoles for integration into newly upgraded facilities at the channel's headquarters in Assen. The consoles form part of a production modernization project centered on the television production control room. RTV Drenthe content mainly comprises local and regional news, interviews, music and talk shows, broadcasting 24 hours of radio a day, visual radio, a repeated 30 minutes of television, broadcasting of events and webcasting.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.